indah gitu ya. Tentang seminar yang akan dipaparkan tentang apa saja nanti akan dilakukan sebenarnya gitu. Oke, silakan aja kalau presentasi, silakan Mbak dimulai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to Allah for blessing us to come here in good condition. And second, I want to say thanks to my new supervisor, Mr. Kuku and Mr. Saiful, and all of the audiences. In this opportunity, I would like to deliver my semi-final project with the title Analysis the Difference of the Use IP Security in the Internet Network Case Study Premiere in Hotel. Yes, this is the background. In every company, have a same rule that the security of data is the most important factor to be protected from all unauthorized. Using virtual private network provide confidence to the company to expand business, associate, and networking. And besides that, the company can reach out to brand office and partners from the computer that connected through the internet. But virtually, the transfer of data utilizing the internet are susceptible to attack from noise at the outside. Yes, we will see more about IP security. IP security is included as the protocol type of virtual private network, which promises interoperability, good quality, good cryptography, and good integrity. This is the identification of problem. In this final project, the first, how does the IP security work in the VPS network at the Premier Hotel? And the second, what is the ratio between the performance of data exchange using IP VPN security and using the VPN without encryption? This is limitation of problem. First, planning of implementation will be conducted at the Premier in Hotel, the head office based in Jakarta and the brand office in Yogyakarta and Surabaya. And second, in my final project, I only use the IP security protocol. And the third, the parameter used are delay, throughput, jitter, and packet loss. And the last, in my final project, I don't discussing about the IP security from the safety side of the data in the network. This is the purpose of my final project. First, implement an IP security protocol at the Premier in Hotel. And the second, to testing the performance of the IP security VPN. And in the main purpose, I will analysis quality of service of IP security based on the parameter of delay, packet loss, throughput, and jitter. This is the benefit. After I analysis the performance of IP security, I can transparent to end user, IP security can provide security for individual users, and the last IP security secures routing architecture. This is the architecture of IP security. IP security have two protocols. The first, authentication header, and the second, encapsulating security payload, or ESP. And IP security have two modes, transport mode and tunnel mode. This is the simple example of tunnel mode, because in my final project I will using tunnel mode of implementing IP security in Premier in hotel. This is the flowchart of my final project. I start from start. After that, make a network topology. After that, in the right side, I will implementation IP security, and the left side, implementation VPN without IP security or without encryption. After implementation to technology, I will analyze the performance of this technology. After that, I will compare the result of the performance. After that, the result. After that, end. This is the topology of my final of the IPsec in my final project. IP security tunnel mode is the default mode. With tunnel mode, the entire original IP packet is protected by IP security. This means IP security warp the original packet and encrypts it, adds a new IP header, and send it to the other side of the VPN tunnel. This is the goal of my final project. I will analyze the performance of IP security based on 4 parameters: delay, jitter, packet loss, and throughput. After I get the result, I will compare the value from VPN using encryption, using IP security, with VPN without